Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make $1,000 to $2,000 every month in 2022. If you are still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So one will ask, how can I make money online quickly and easily in 2022? In this video, I will show you how to make between $1,000 and $2,000 each month. Trust me, these are the only ways to make money online that I know of. But keep in mind that there is no easy way to be successful. If you want to make between $1,000 and $2,000 every month, you have to work very hard. So if you want to know more, keep watching. The first one is online courses. Start selling online courses. If you know a lot about something, you should make your own course and then start selling it on the best websites such as Udemy. 2. Ebooks. Another great way to make money online is to sell ebooks. Now the question is, how a total newbie can start selling ebooks? I really think you should use Google Trends, Medium, and Quora to find out what's popular and then start writing an ebook that can sell on Amazon Kindle. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is another way to make money on the internet without doing much work. First, build your store with Shopify or WordPress and connect it to AliExpress or Amazon to make between $1,000 and $2,000 every month. Blogging. If you want to be your own boss and make money online from home, I think you should start by blogging. There are many ways to make money from your blog and make money each month without doing anything. First, choose a niche, subject, or category that you love. Start writing articles for your blog, do some SEO, and then use Google AdSense or Amazon affiliate marketing to make money from it. Affiliate marketing. This is the only business you can start right now, even if you don't have any experience or money. As an affiliate, you can make money in a lot of different ways. My favorite affiliate program is CJ, but I also like Amazon, ClickBank, and Impact. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.